Have you ever witnessed machines twist steel as if it were tissue paper? In this episode of Machines Visit, we're exploring the most incredible, high-powered metal bending equipment from across the globe. From colossal press brakes to laser cutters and forming giants, these machines will leave you speechless. Say hello to the king of sheet metal, Muttersbach GmbH and Company. This monster of a hydraulic press brake bends 40 mm thick steel plates like they're nothing more than paper napkins. With a confident hum, it molds metal into flawless 90 degrees angles without breaking a sweat. Hailing from Germany, Muttersbach is no small-time operation. With over half a century of expertise in metal forming and custom machinery, their equipment can shape steel heavier than your vehicle. A 40 mm sheet, about 1.5 inches thick, mocks ordinary tools with its toughness. Next up, the RHTC hydraulic profile bender, a master of metal shaping, transforms rigid tubes into perfectly curved clamps with elegance. Built in Europe, this sturdy machine features 3 driven rollers powered by a 1.5 kilowatts motor, delivering consistent, precise bends every time. Its hydraulic system, controlled by a manual pump, allows precise adjustments of the top roller, with digital readouts accurate to 0.1 millimeters. Then there's the Crash 3000W laser cutting machine, a true industrial scalpel with the swagger of a sci-fi weapon. Whether slicing through stainless steel, carbon steel, or aluminum, this laser glides effortlessly, sending sparks flying like a fireworks display. At full throttle, it can cut through steel up to 20 millimeters thick. Prepare for industrial ASMR with Roller Special Tools, a machine so mesmerizing it might glue your eyes to the screen. These specialized tools tackle intricate multi-radius or deep box bends that make standard equipment tremble. It's engineering artistry with a steel backbone, crafting custom brackets, enclosures, and parts for industries like automotive, aerospace, and construction. Enter the arena, Oral's 3,000-ton CNC press brake, a titan that makes other machines look like child's play. This Chinese-made beast bends steel beams as easily as snapping noodles. Combining precision technology with raw power, this 3,000-ton press is like stacking 1,500 SUVs on a metal plate, shaping it with pinpoint accuracy thanks to CNC controls. Watching it form a sheet into a perfect circle is pure poetry. Next, meet HJO Roll's metal roofing tile roll former, a marvel that turns flat sheets into stylish step-tiled roofing panels with seamless accuracy. This machine continuously shapes and presses tiles, offering adjustable step lengths and depths to meet diverse design needs. Capable of handling materials like color-coated steel or aluminum from 0.4 to 0.6 millimeters thick, it's a versatile workhorse. Then there's the parcel shovel manufacturing machine, an industrial wizard that transforms flat metal into fully formed shovels faster than you can say, "Scoop it." Watching this machine is like seeing shovels churned out on overdrive. With automated precision stamping, it punches, curves, and shapes shovel heads in seconds. This is metal origami at its peak. Hemming 3 tools fold flat sheets into pristine perfection with smoother moves than a dancer in slow motion. Hemming may sound delicate, but in the metal world, it's the final touch that adds strength, safety, and a polished look to edges. In automotive manufacturing, hemming demands such tight tolerances that a 0.1 millimeters error can ruin a part. Talk about high stakes. Say hello to Harsel's metal sheet rolling production line, an industrial virtuoso that crafts flat sheets into flawless cylinders and cones with the grace of a dancer and the strength of a locomotive. Some models can roll plates up to 25 millimeters thick, shaping materials heavier than a compact car with ease. Then there's the Amada bending machine, so sleek and futuristic it could star in a sci-fi blockbuster, yet it's very real and incredibly powerful. Built for hands-free precision bending, its robotic arm flips, rotates, and positions parts with laser-like precision. This machine can churn out up to 1,000 bends per shift with an error margin of less than plus or minus 0.001 inches, making it a reliability champion. Next, the Vimercati door jamb production line doesn't just create door frames, it crafts gateways with flawless precision. Known for blending craftsmanship with automation, Vimercati's setup uses high-precision press brakes, automated feeders, and custom dies to produce door jambs with military-grade consistency. Then we have the CMSV horizontal bending press, a metal shaping maestro that turns flat sheets into precisely crafted forms with effortless finesse. This horizontal press excels at bending, straightening, punching, and shearing, with a hydraulic cylinder cleverly tucked under the table for a clear workspace. Since its founding in 2009, Song has grown into a comprehensive steel solution provider, offering mold steel, high-speed steel, alloy steel, and free-cutting steel. Their vast inventory includes carbon steel, tool steel, stainless steel, and forms like round bars, sheets, plates, coils, and strips, meeting the diverse needs of global industries. Finally, the Par Hydraulic Press 320T, a powerhouse designed to bend 16 mm thick steel plates with ease. This 320-ton powerhouse utilizes hydraulic force to deliver precise and consistent bends, accommodating various metals and thicknesses. Next up is the Rollery Vario by Rolly, a patented adjustable die system that allows operators to modify the V opening on a press brake seamlessly, either manually or through CNC control, eliminating the need for multiple dies and slashing setup times. Crafted for ease of use, the Rollery Vario boasts a maximum load capacity of up to 3,000 knots per meter, accommodating a wide range of bending tasks. Its 60 degrees bending angle effectively manages sheet metal springback, ensuring precision in every bend. Make way for the CNC press brake automatic bending machine by Shenchong. This isn't your average press brake, it's a fully automated, servo-driven genius that grabs, aligns, and bends sheet metal with military precision. Thanks to automation, this machine can work 24/7 with consistent accuracy and reduce labor costs by up to 70%. Basically, it bends metal and your budget in the right direction. Introducing the LVD 1000-ton press brake, a heavyweight champion in metal bending that combines brute strength with surgical precision. The PPEBH series offers models ranging from 400 tons x4m up to 3,000 tons x14m, capable of bending metal components larger than some commercial aircraft wings. Okay, let's meet the Accurl 1,500-ton CNC press brake, the heavyweight champion of metal bending. This colossal machine boasts a bending force of 1,500 tons and a bending length of 26 feet, making it ideal for tackling massive metal components. The Accurl 1,500-ton press brake's capacity is equivalent to the combined weight of 250 adult elephants, showcasing its immense power. Introducing the Crash CNC press brake, 220 tons per 4m, a powerhouse in metal bending that combines strength with precision. This hydraulic bending machine delivers a formidable 1,600 knots, 220 tons, of pressure across a 4 meters 13 feet table length. The press brake is used to bend sheet metal into parts like machine frames, control panels, enclosures, automotive components, and metal furniture. Introducing the curl press brake, the metal bending maestro that combines brute strength with brainy precision. Curl, a leader in manufacturing press brakes and shears, offers machines tailored for everything from delicate sheet metal artistry to heavy plate fabrication. And that wraps up our wild ride through the world of metal-bending beasts and factory floor legends. From machines that fold 40mm steel like paper to laser-guided giants slicing with surgical precision, we've seen how modern engineering turns brute force into beautiful form. If you enjoyed watching these metal monsters in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping machine content.